Hey guys, Miss Daniels here. I'm ready to go over the next week of NTI work with you. This will be days 16 through 20, April 27th through May 1st. All right, so this was in the very first packet that we gave you guys. This is again just the calendar that goes through what you do each day. So just looking at Monday, you need to participate in your Zoom call with your teacher. You need to do your Laleo and happy numbers. You're doing your video, your worksheet, your writing journal. You're going to be doing several activities for math. You're going to be choosing a self-help skill to work on. You also have some science activities, and then you're going to go onto YouTube and watch one of your specials videos. Now that's pretty much the same for each day. You'll have a reading, writing, and math activity as well as your Zoom call, and then the specials video. But this document actually lays out everything that you need to do each day at a time. So just go down through, check off everything as you complete it, and then parents can initial down here at the bottom. And there are still those more descriptive documents available in that first packet if you need that as well. Here again is our self-help skills. Try to choose one of these to complete every day. I can't wait to see how much you guys have learned and grown. All right, so here is our packet. This is day 16. All right, so day 16, we're gonna start out with our magic E. This says to write the magic E in with a white crown and then color over it with marker. If you don't wanna do that, make it a little less messy, you can always just write in your magic E. You're gonna add your magic E to the word, so this wouldn't be slim anymore, it would turn into slime. Up here under the curtains, I want you guys to draw a picture of slime. So you're gonna do that for each of the different words. You have your writing journal. Write at least 2 facts about flowers. The video writing lesson this week will also be about how to complete this journal. So if you need help, please watch that video. All right, so this is a 10 frame cut and paste. We've been working on groups of 10s and 1s. So look at your groups of 10s, count out how many extra ones you have, find the teen number over here and glue it next to that. Your math journal for today is how many numbers come between 11 and 16. So I would write out those numbers here and then write a sentence to tell the answer. Blank numbers come between 11 and 16. Here is your science worksheet for the day. Day 17. Right, so you are going to look at this sheet. You're gonna fill in the blanks with either an A and a magic E, an I and a magic E, an O and a magic E, or a U and a magic E. So let's say the sounds, listen to them, and hear which vowel says its name. Like this is a picture of a face. 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 So this has the magic E and the letter A because we hear A in the word face. Here's your reading journal for the day. How do you get ready for bed at night? And I want you guys to start using the words first, next, and last. So you should have at least 3 sentences that tell how you get ready for bed at night. Here we're gonna use some number lines to solve some addition problems. We're using, again, groups of 10s and extra 1s. So all of these start at 10 because it's 10 and some more. So you'll make that many jumps. So in this problem, 10 plus 3, we're already gonna start at 10 because we know we have that many. And we're gonna make 3 extra jumps. 1, 2, 3. We landed on 13. So 10 plus 3 is 13. The math journal prompt today is using a repeating pattern, draw a repeating pattern using a heart, square, and circle. Here is your science page for today. Day 18, oops. All right, so there are several activity pages that match the format of this one. You're gonna trace the word. You're going to find the magic E words with the long A vowels and read them. Here, you're gonna find the words that have the long A sound with the magic E, and then you're gonna use these words to fill in these boxes. So if it's a box that goes down below, that means it's gonna have a letter that goes down below the baseline. If it has a box that goes up above, that means it's gonna be above. Like in this word section right here, it's gonna be the word grade. G-R-A-D-E. The G goes below, the G goes above. Your writing journal prompt today is, how do you eat an Oreo cookie? We're going to be doing this one together today in our Zoom call, so make sure that you tune in. Again, you want to use the words first, next, and last. Here are some T numbers. We're going to fill in the tens frames. So this is 14. It has one group of 10 and 4 extra ones. So you need to color in the tens frames to match that. Your math journal page today, draw a hexagon, label its sides and vertices. How many vertices are there? Here is your science page for the day. Oh, looks like this one's several pages. Day 19. Here is another page that we talked about. You know, it follows the same thing. Trace the word, read the words, color in the words, and then you're going to be finding the words that fit from this box down here. Your journal prompt today is, how do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? If you don't eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, that's okay. Think of another kind of sandwich that you like to eat and tell how to make it. But try to use those words, first, next, and last. Here, you're going to be counting how many are in the groups, breaking that into how many groups of 10s and how many 1s. So you're actually going to count it, circle a group of 10, and write how many 10s you have here, and then how many 1s are left over. Your math journal for the day, Jake had 3 snakes. The first snake is shorter than the third snake, and the second snake is the longest of them all. Circle the snake that is the shortest. You have several math pages today. It looks like it's another story. And now we're on day 20. You should be pretty familiar with this activity page by now. Today you're going to be working on Magic E with the letter O. Your writing journal is, how are you a good friend? So you should have at least 3 sentences telling how you are a good friend. Today we're going to be doing subtraction problems, so you guys are going to be solving the subtraction problem. Remember the strategies we've learned. You can draw a picture, you can use manipulatives, you can use your fingers, but once you solve the problem, you're going to cut out the answers down here and glue them next to the problem. And here, you're going to draw 5 things that are longer than your hand. The last thing you have is your science worksheet for the day. All right, guys, see you next week.